Hey everyone, this is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet in Tinley Park, Illinois. Today I'm standing in front of my pre-owned pick of the week, the 2014 Kia Optima. Apple Chevy is offering over $2,400 off MSRP on this specific vehicle for all Apple Chevrolet customers. This vehicle has never been reported in any accidents. This vehicle has 62,544 miles on it, which is actually 3,187 miles below market average. This front wheel drive vehicle comes with a 2.4 liters 4-cylinder engine and 17-inch alloy wheels. Now when we get in this vehicle, you can see that we do have tan leather seating and infinity sound system, a moonroof, and then when it comes to the front, we do have our standard radio, heated seating, heated steering wheel, and your standard cruise control. This is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video. You guys have a great day.